Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our fourth session of area related to circles, chapter number 13, and reference book is R.D. Sharma. And in our previous session, we had completed up to question number 11. So today we will start from question number 12 and we will complete up to 16. Okay. In today's video, we will complete 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Let's start. Here we go with the question number 12. The perimeter of a triangle is 30 centimeter. Okay. So first one, we will start from here. What is given? Perimeter of the triangle. So we don't know the side. So let's find out the side. Side of the triangle. Let it be A. So perimeter 30 है तो side कितना होगा? 30/3 is equal to 10 centimeter. Next one, the circumference of its in circle is 88 centimeter. अच्छा, in circle again triangle के अंदर circle है, circumference in 88 है, then we need to find out radius. Okay, we need to find out the radius. अच्छा, रेडियस क्यों फाइंड आउट करेंगे? क्वेश्चन देखो, द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल पूछा है. एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल के लिए डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूड. सो एल्टीट्यूड यहाँ पे नहीं, अगर रेडियस निकलेगा देन डेफिनेटली 3 गुना एल्टीट्यूड होता है. सो फाइंड आउट द रेडियस ऑफ द इनसर्कल. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू c/2 पाई. ओके, ये कहाँ से आया टीचर? यहाँ तो हमें पता नहीं ये फॉर्मूला है करके. तो चिल्ड्रन, सर्कमफरेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2πr इज इक्वल टू 88 इज गिवन. सो r क्या होगा? सर्कमफरेंस दैट इज c/2 पाई. सो यहाँ पे सेम हमें अप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो c मीन्स 88/2 multiplied by 22/7. That is, after simplification, you will get 88 divided by 44/7. Okay, मैं पूरा कर रही हूँ, आपको कोई confusion ना हो. 44. So 44, 42. So answer is 14 centimeter. What is this? Radius. Therefore, altitude of triangle is, रेडियस जितना होता है उसका 3 गुना एल्टीट्यूड होता है, मतलब 3 times of radius. So 3 multiplied by 14, that is 42 centimeter. Okay, for the area of the triangle, what we need? Area of the triangle, half multiplied by base multiplied by altitude. So here already हमने बेस निकाला है. हाउ मच? साइड कितना था? 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड एल्टीट्यूड 42. जस्ट यू नीड टू पुट द वैल्यूज हियर. हाफ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 42. So let's simplify this. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Okay, so multiplication के बाद you will get how much? 210 cm square. 210 cm square. So which option is correct option? Option C. Okay, option C. How many formulas we have used here? This is side of a triangle, then the radius, altitude and area. देखो 4 formulas हमने use किया है. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, चलो let's see the next question. 13th question. The area of a circle is 220 centimeters square. The area of a square inscribed in it. Again, see the words. Inscribed means circle के अंदर square है. So find out the area of the square. Okay. So हमें पहले क्या करना है? What is given? Area of the circle. So area of the circle say what we can find out? Pi r square. Yes, we can find out r. Chalo, let's find out. Radius is equal to area upon pi square. Okay, So I am writing here formula area is equal to pi r square. So what we need to do, we need to find, this is the first formula we are using here. So let's start. Area is 220 multiplied by, not multiplied, divided by 22 upon 7, because pi का value क्या है 22 upon 7. So 220 multiplied by 7 upon 22 after divide, तो हम लोगों को रेसिप्रोकल करना है. So simplify करने के बाद what we will get 70, right, under root 70 cm. Okay, now radius मिल गया, radius C, this is the radius, right? सीधा नहीं आया है. This is the radius. Now we will find out the diagonal of a square. No, now we will find out the diameter, because C diameter is equal to diagonal of the square. So diameter क्या होगा, diameter double of the radius. So radius कितना है, under root 70. So diameter will be 2 multiplied by under root 70. इसे ऐसे ही रखते हैं. Now we will write down the diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square is equal to diameter of circle, right? देखो इसका diameter जो है वो किसका diagonal है, square का diagonal. That's why the important part is you should know how to draw the figure. अगर आप square के अंदर circle बनाओगे then वो गलत हो जाएगा. So terms जो है the area of the square inscribed in it, inscribed जब है वो circle के अंदर है. Okay, now area of square, area of square is equal to diagonal upon under root 2 whole square. ओके, जो जो फॉर्मूलास अप्लाई हो रहे हैं सबको मैं अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो 2 अंडर रूट 70 अपन अंडर रूट 2 स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट हियर 4 into 70 upon 2 after simplification 140 cm square. Okay, this is our final answer 140. So क्या क्या फॉर्मूला था, see first one is area of the square था, then the next one क्या था, diameter D is equal to 2r, and third one था area of the square, area of square is equal to diagonal upon under root 2 whole square. So how many formulas, see ये जो box है ये पूरा formula हमने यहाँ पे use किया है. Okay, ये यहाँ पे use हुआ है. Next, see the next question. Let's see. Question number 14. If the circumference of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi, then its area is. Okay, circumference दिया है, then definitely we need to find out the radius. So let's see what is the radius. Okay. Radius is equal to circumference upon 2 pi. कहाँ से मिला है हमें फॉर्मूला, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, उसमें से ही radius निकालना है. Radius is equal to this much. Then circumference is given 4 pi upon 2 pi. So our answer is radius is 2. Then area will be, area is equal to pi r square. So pi multiplied by r square, r means 2, that is 4. So 4 pi. Okay, this is first case. Okay, so ये जो है first case है. Now we will see the second case. Second case, what is given, if the circumference increases by 8 pi. So in the second case, we will find out the radius again. C upon 2 pi is equal to 8 pi upon 2 pi. Because वो बोला था 4 pi से 8 pi हो गया है. Then we will get 4. So then the area will be pi r square, that is pi multiplied by 4 4s are 16, 16 pi. Okay, now 16 pi is, see, this is the second area and this is the first area. What is the comparison between this? क्या हुआ है? 16 pi is 4 times of 4 pi. That means area will be quadrupled. मतलब 4 बार जब होता है उसे quadruple बोलते हैं. कैसे हुआ? 4 pi multiplied by 4 करेंगे तो 16 pi आएगा, right? You need to compare this to 16 pi is 4 times of 4 pi. So जो ये 4 times है, that is known as quadruple. So correct option is option D. Question number 15. If the radius of a circle is diminished by 10%, then the area is diminished by. Again, first case, second case, we will write. First case, okay. Directly हम लोग लिखेंगे first case में radius of the circle, let the radius is equal to r, then area is equal to pi r square, जो कि हमारा formula है. Okay. In the second case, okay, in the second case, if the radius of a circle is diminished by 10%, so in the second case, radius is equal to r multiplied by 100 minus 10 upon 100. That means 10% of r we are reducing. Then we will get 90 r upon 100. That is 9 upon 10 r. This is our radius in the second case. Then area will be pi r square. So pi multiplied by 9 upon 10 r whole square. Okay. So 81 yes, 81 pi r square upon 100. Okay, see, this is the first area, this is the second area. What is the in the question? Then its area is diminished by how much decreased in the area, we need to calculate that. So we will find here difference is equal to pi r square minus 81 pi r square upon 100. So 100, after taking LCM, 100 pi r square minus 81 pi r square upon 100. So you will get 19 pi r square upon 100. How much? 19 pi r square upon 100. That means 19%. 19%. Therefore, it is diminished by 19%. Okay, 19% कैसे निकालना है? इसे फिर से 100 से परसेंटेज कैसे निकालते हैं चिल्ड्रन? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 19% निकल जाएगा. So our correct option is option B. Let's see the next question. Question number 16. If the area of a square is same as the area of the circle. Okay, so we will start from the area of the square. Let the side of square is equal to A, then the area of square is equal to A square, right? Area of the square is equal to A square, side into side. Now question is, if the area of the square is same as the area of the circle, then circle का area निकालना है. The area of the circle is area of circle is equal, area of the circle is equal to area of square, right? So circle का area क्या होगा? A square. Now therefore radius is equal to area upon pi under root. कहाँ से मिला? Because area is equal to pi r square. So इसमें से हमारे पास area है, so we need to find out the radius. Now we will put a square upon pi under root. So a upon under root pi. Then what we need to find out? The ratio of their perimeters. Okay. So circumference perimeter means circumference of circle is equal to 2. क्या है circumference of circle? 2 pi r. That means 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r की जगह पे a upon under root pi. Okay. After simplification, what we will get? 2a under root pi, because here we can simplify under root pi, we will get only under root pi. Okay, this is our circumference of the circle. Now, perimeter of the square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, that is 4a. Now find out the ratio of their perimeter in terms of pi. So we need to find out the ratio. Ratio is equal to perimeter of the square 4a upon 2a under root pi. So after simplification, a 2 2s are 4. So the final answer is 2 upon under root pi. So which option is correct, children? Option B, 2 upon under root pi. अच्छा, रेशियो में यहाँ पे और एक भी डाउट आ सकता है, हमने सर्कल का क्यों पहले नहीं लिया? ओके, क्वेश्चन में देखो, इफ द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर, सो पहले क्या दिया है? स्क्वायर, देन सर्कल दिया है. सो पेरीमीटर का भी रेशियो पहले स्क्वायर का लिखना है, देन सर्कल का लिखना है, इसलिए हमने 4a upon 2a under root pi लिखा है. सो फाइनल आंसर इज 2 upon under root pi, ऑप्शन बी. Okay, so in the next session we will start from question number 13, question number 17. 16 तक हमने complete किया है. So keep on regular practice and be ready with your notebooks whenever you are watching my videos. Then it will be easy for you to solve the MCQs simultaneously. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel PhD Digital Maths, and press the bell icon for the new updates. If you have any queries, any doubts regarding any chapter, so put it in the comment box. As soon as early possible, I will upload the video on the basis of those doubts. Thank you. See you in the next session.